Greetings. Welcome to some sort of video. I could never quite make up my mind if I wanted to do a YouTube tech video channel or artsy craftsy stuff, so I've decided to kind of combine the two. So today I'm going to be making an ITX case out of bamboo purchased from the dollar store. This is the Lori vanity tray from Dollarama. Just happened to fit an ITX motherboard. Now, one of the most important things, of course, is to print out a layout of an ITX motherboard to screw the holes, or drill the holes, I should say, in the bamboo. Now, the other important thing is to find out that those holes do not line up with your particular ITX motherboard, and then just kind of poke holes in that through the paper with a pin or something, just so you actually get it right. Now, I'm just going to drill through, hopefully not my table. Added bonus, I have now ruined this for anything else. Spin it around because I am in danger of drilling through my table. Okay. Now you've got your 4 holes through in hopefully the right location for an ITX motherboard and hopefully all facing the proper direction. Now I'm also going to admit I did this in advance on the motherboard side itself, and now I'm just going to line it up and attach them. It's going to go like that, in theory. Somewhere I have set down my box of screws. There they are. Pick a magnetic screwdriver. So, I skipped over a bunch of very awkward carpentry, but it is now put together. Ample airflow, as in nothing but airflow, because I didn't put any sides on, because why would I? Anyway, that's what it looks like for now. I will get it up and running again once again, and we'll see you in a moment or two. That's an HP Maple motherboard. It's an AMD processor, A9-9430, 3.2 gigahertz. It's got 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM and a 256 gig SSD. It plays Fallout 3 quite well at maximum settings and Fallout 4 terribly at minimum settings. No, never been one to leave USB 3 on the table. I found these two 90-degree adapters and this USB 3 header adapter, which fit my case perfectly. Now, as I understand it, you kids are all big on LED and RGB and whatnot, so here you go. See, that's it. Plastic, plastic. LED. Keeps a little flame effect. Long, short, positive, negative. Let's see if that shows up. I don't know. Just plugging in my power switch and my flickering candle LED to the front headers. Hey kids, sleeved cabling. Came from a bike pump, but still, sleeve. Thank you for watching this bamboo PC build. Please like and subscribe.